Good morning, student. Today in science class we will discuss about again chapter 6, that is food and health, and this is your revision class. Okay, this time your half yearly exam is postponed due to some technical issues. That's why we have some extra time for revision. Okay, so let's start today revision class. Okay, student, and today's topic is food and health. Students, everyone, open your book, page number 42. This page number 42. Everyone open now. Here different kinds of food in your book. Here is the picture of different kinds of foods picture. So everyone watch this food. And first question is here my, what is a food? Students, what is a food? You read this chapter. Okay, what is a food? Food is our basic need. Food is our basic need. This point is clear now? Okay, student. Food is our basic need, and we all need food to grow, to keep our body fit. When we are walking, when we are running, we are doing now each and everything. We need some energy, and where we get energy? We get energy from food. Okay? I think this point is clear now, students. Food and food help us to grow and give us energy. Okay? And it also keep us healthy. When we are taking now some healthy food, it also help us to strong and to fight against diseases. Okay? And infections also. I think this point is clear now. Then come to the next point, that is types of foods. Sorry, types of meals. Sorry, it's a meal. Okay? Types of meals. Okay? We eat 3 meals in a day. How many meals? 3 meals. How many meals? 3 meals in a day. First is breakfast. Breakfast. First is breakfast. Then second is lunch. Student, you miss your lunch in a school, na? Me also. In this pandemic situation. And third is dinner. Come to the first point. First point is breakfast. Breakfast. This is our first meal in a day. And we have breakfast in the morning. When we take our breakfast? In the morning time. Morning time. Okay? And in the breakfast, we take now some breads, cornflakes, idlis, fruits, nuts, milk, etc. These foods are we are take now. Okay? Then come to the next point, that is lunch. Lunch is our second meal in a day, and we take our lunch in the noon time. When we take now lunch? Noon time. Noon time. It is also our midday meal. It is also called our midday meal, and roti like that. Roti, rice, dal, meat, vegetables, curd, salad, different things we are take now. Different kinds of food we are take now in our lunch. Okay, this point is clear now. Then move to the third one. Third is the dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day, and we take our dinner at night time. At night time. when we take our dinner at night time, and we should take our dinner at least 3 hours before going to sleep in the night. And we take now different kinds of food like that: roti, dal, vegetables, fish, meat, curd, papad, different kinds of food we are taking now in our dinner. Okay students, I think these points are clear now, types of meals also. Then move to the next point, and that point is types of food. Types of food. Types of food. This point. Types of food. I'm mentioning types of food are, there are 3 types of food. How many types? 3. This is also 3 types, students. First part is here, energy giving food. Energy giving food. Then second is bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food. Second is bodybuilding food. Then third is that is protective food. Okay. Then come to the first point. Your first point is energy giving food. This one, energy giving food, give us energy to work and play. This food give us energy to work and play. And this food rich in carbohydrate. And where we get now this type of food? We get this type of food when we take now like that potato, sugar, rice, wheat, maize, jowar, different kinds of things. We take now this type of food. And remember that student, this food is rich in carbohydrate. Okay. Then move to the second point. Second is bodybuilding food. Food that make our muscles and our bones strong and that help us to grow. That type of food is bodybuilding food, and this type of food rich in proteins. This food is high protein based. Okay, and we take now this type of food when we take now like that eggs, pulses, all pulses. Okay, and milk also. Okay, and this food is protein based, rich protein. Okay, then move to the third point. Third point is that is protective food. Protective food means food that prevent us for falling sick. And it help and it keep help and strong help to fight against diseases, many diseases and infections. This type of food is called protective food, and this food is rich in vitamins and minerals. And where we get this type of food? We get this type of food from fruits and vegetables. Okay, and milk is wholesome of the food. So student, this time you are a small kids and you are a growing age. So pay attention for your food, and you take your food, energy giving based food, bodybuilding based food and protective food. This time your age is growing now, na? This time you are 2 standard. So in your food is rich in protein based, and every day you take now some fruits and vegetables, and you take 2 glasses of milk every day. This is best for you. Okay, then these 3 points are clear now. Then move to the next point, that is water. That is water. Water is very important to us, our body. It helps us to digestion. Okay, What is digestion? Here is one question raised. Digestion is the process when we are taking now some different kinds of food. ठीक है? When we are taking now different kinds of food, that food enter in our with the help of our food pipe, stomach, and that food digest, and we get energy from that. This process is called digestion. And when we are growing now, you deeply study for digestion process. This time your small kids, that's why I'm explaining, that's it. Okay, water, it is very important for our body. Our in our body 70% is water. Yes or no? Okay, and it helps our body temperature, maintain our body temperature. Okay, in a day we should drink acquired amount of water every day. Okay, and every day we should drink clean water. Okay, then move to next point, and that is good food eating habit. Good food, good food eating habits. Good food eating habits. Okay, and one more thing is here left, healthy food. Healthy food. This point is I am explained. When we are eating now only protective food, this is not good for us. Only bodybuilding, no. When we are eating proper amount of energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food, these all things, and milk also, that food is called healthy food. It means healthy food is food that provide all essentials. All essentials where we get energy giving, bodybuilding, and protective, all essential nutrition to our body, and it makes strong and fit. That type of food is called healthy food. Okay, like that healthy food example, like that milk, it is a very good example. Milk, fruits, vegetables, pulses, nuts, these are healthy foods. Okay, then this is last topic, good food eating habits. We should follow some good food eating habit, like that wash your hand and mouth before and after every meal. Avoid junk foods like that pizza, burger, that is very harmful for you. That's why avoid it. Then do not waste food, students. This type of things you do now, so it is very bad habit. Don't waste food. Okay, don't waste food and eat healthy and nutritious food. Okay, student? Thanks.